Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about Upwork, how to get first job. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Freelancers always go to Upwork due to its extensive client base and diverse job offerings spanning various industries. The platform provides an avenue for freelancers to access global clients seeking a wide range of skills, granting them flexibility to choose projects that aligns with their expertise and schedule. Upwork's reputation building potential is invaluable for newcomers, allowing them to establish portfolios, gain reviews, and develop their professional standing. The platform's payment protection and remote work options provide added security and convenience, while the networking opportunities enable freelancers to connect with peers and potential collaborators. Ultimately, Upwork presents a dynamic ecosystem of freelancers to secure consistent work, hone their skills, and thrive in the evolving landscape of remote and independent work. Now, you might be thinking, how can I get a job without any previous clients or testimonials? This question highlights the crucial role that proof plays in the success of freelancers on platforms like Upwork. Establishing credibility and demonstrating your capabilities are essential, especially when you're starting with a blank slate. Proof serves as a powerful validation of your skills and expertise, assuring potential clients that you can deliver the results they seek. In the absence of a client history, showcasing your abilities through various forms of proof, such as portfolio examples and testimonials from colleagues or personal projects, becomes a fundamental strategy for gaining the trust of clients and securing that initial job opportunity. By focusing on presenting compelling evidence on your skills, you can overcome the challenge of lacking prior clients and embark on a path towards establishing a successful freelancing career. Now let's go over to the step-by-step guide on how to do this. Now let's start on to going to Upwork's platform. So onto their website, you'd be able to see the Get Started button. You'll just need to click onto that, then you'll be redirected to another page. Now on this page, you'll just need to click I'm a freelancer looking for work and then apply as a freelancer. Now, if you still don't have an account, just continue with Apple or Google or put in your first name, last name, email, and then password, and then you'll just need to agree to the terms and condition and then create my account. But if ever you have an account already, just click on to log in, then put in your username, or you can continue with Google or Apple. So right after that, you'd be redirected to Upwork's dashboard. Since we're already on the dashboard, just click on to find work, click on my stats so that we could view your statistics on your account. So the reason why we're taking a look onto this is because this statistics onto your account is one of the important things that clients look onto your profile to see if you're a best fit for the role. Your statistics on Upwork hold immense significance as they shape your reputation and credibility among potential clients. These metrics, including your job success score, response rate and completion rate, on time delivery, earnings, reviews, and profile completeness, collectively portray your professionalism and reliability. A high job success score, timely responses, successful project completions, and positive client feedback demonstrates your ability to deliver quality work and meet client expectation. So these statistics influence how clients perceive your expertise and influence their decision to hire you. By consistently maintaining favorable stats, you enhance your profile's appeal, increase your chances of winning projects, and establish a solid foundation for a successful freelancing career on Upwork. However, if this is still not yet available onto your account since you're just a beginner, here are some alternatives to work on so that you'd be able to optimize your profile. So you'll just have to click on to find work, then click on to profile. Then once you're in, I need you to scroll down until you see portfolio. So this is the first thing that would really help you if you're still a beginner. This serves as a visual showcase of your skills and capabilities to potential clients. For both experienced freelancers and most importantly to beginners, a well constructed portfolio is a persuasive tool that offers tangible evidence of your expertise. It enables clients to assess the quality of your work, understand your style, and envision how you can contribute to their projects. For beginners, a portfolio is especially crucial as it compensates for the lack of prior client history. It allows newcomers to display their skills through personal or mock projects, demonstrating competence even in the absence of formal work experience. A comprehensive and visually appealing portfolio establishes trust and credibility, positioning both beginners and established freelancers for success by enticing clients to choose them for their projects. To add one, just click onto it, add in a project title. You can also add in a related Upwork job and the completion date of your project. Now let's proceed on selecting a template. We have our three options: the gallery, the case study, and classic. Right after, you can add in details. Just click onto the green button. Now on this part, this is where you'll add in your project. So you'll just need to add the descriptions in here. Then right after, you'll just need to drag and drop the file. And then you can also add a YouTube link. And then you can add in some skills here below. So there are some suggested skills in here. You can put in the skills that you have applied onto doing that portfolio. And then right after, there is also a project URL, which is optional in here. And then the last step is preview. So you can go ahead and do a quick preview onto the changes that you've made. Now let's go to the other option in here, which is testimonial. So you'll just need to scroll down. It is just below portfolio. So this is another pivotal role in Upwork, since it carries a substantial weight in building a freelancer's reputation and credibility. Especially for beginners, they hold particular significance by acting as valuable endorsements in the absence of a client history. Testimonials provide first-hand accounts of your work ethic, professionalism, and the quality of service related. They offer potential clients a glimpse into the positive experiences others had while working with you. For newcomers, a few well crafted testimonials can serve as a bridge between the lack of prior work and the assurance clients seek when hiring a freelancer. When requesting a testimonial, it is essential to reach out to past clients or individuals who can vouch for your skills. Once obtained, these testimonials can be prominently displayed in your profile, reinforcing your expertise and instilling confidence in potential clients looking to collaborate with you. Now, to add this into your profile, just click onto the plus button onto the upper right of testimonials. From here, you'd be able to see the different informations they need so that they can request for that testimonial. Starting with the first name and last name, you'll need to add in as well their business email address and also their LinkedIn profiles. So you can also add in here the title of to the project that you did or the project type, and then you can add in a message in here so that they would be able to know that you're requesting a testimonial. Then lastly, just click onto request testimonial so that this would be sent out to them. So once they will give you their testimonial or they will send it to Upwork, the testimonial will automatically display onto your profile. And that's all the things that you need to know when you're just starting out on Upwork. Thank you very much for joining me today. And always remember, with the right proof and strategy, you can overcome the challenges of starting out on Upwork. So keep honing your skills, building your portfolio, and pursuing your freelancing dreams. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. And until next time, happy freelancing.